Thursday morning and continue rising to a crest of 13.0 feet early Saturday morning. Flood stage of 10.0 feet. Flood warning in effect from Thursday afternoon to early Saturday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Great PD River PD. When? From Thursday afternoon to early Saturday morning. Impacts at 19.0 feet. Flood waters will affect swamplands adjacent to the river. Additional details at 9 a.m. Wednesday. The stage was 17.3 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early tomorrow afternoon to a crest of 19.3 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage late Friday morning. Flood stage of 19.0 feet. WeatherGov Safety Flood. Here are the 9 a.m. observations. In Florence, it was cloudy.